Hi, this is Anne with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you how to blur parts of your screen with the new Object Mask tool in Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. All right, let's get started. Okay, so here's the new process. Let's say I wanted to blur the whole business card out. First, make sure you're in Window, Workspaces, and Essentials. I'll also go to Workspace and reset to save layout. Then click on the track that you want to apply the blur to select it. Then we'll come to our toolbar over here and I'll choose the Object Mask tool. It's the third one from the bottom. You can also long hold here to see the Ellipse Mask tool or a Rectangle Mask tool. And these might look familiar to you if you're used to the old way of doing this. I'm just going to do the Object Mask tool for this tutorial, but if you just need a rectangle, for example, just click and drag this and use the Rectangle Mask tool. Anyway, now we can hover over parts of our screen and they'll be highlighted. Don't worry about this reddish color because it's trying to show you where it's highlighting and that's it. It's not going to change it to red or anything. You can actually change what color you see right under here. If most of your screen was red, you would probably want to change it to something else, but red is fine for me. Okay, so I'm going to click this. You'll notice that when you click, your object mask will be automatically put in this unassigned masks part of your effect controls. Now, if it didn't get everything you wanted, you can click on the word object mask right here to make sure that part's selected, and then use this control to add to the mask or subtract from it right here. Now I'll come up here to where my project is and I'll click these two little arrows to get to my effects. And here I can search for Gaussian blur. Here it is, and I'll just click and drag that here. Now you can see it blurred everything inside the mask. The mask will be automatically moved from unassigned masks down here to the Gaussian blur effect. And now the mask lives inside the Gaussian blur effect, if that makes sense. Now, if you did not want that to happen, you can just drag this object mask back up here into unassigned masks. And now the Gaussian blur is being applied to the entire screen. You can also just hit delete on your keyboard to delete it completely. I'll just undo to get back to where we were. So that is the process. And of course, this doesn't just work for blur, it works for any effect in your effects panel. And that's it. All right, I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it and you want to see more videos like this, just click on the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.